everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. With me, Carol. Karibu sana. And in today's video we are going to cook from this book, The Living Well Without Lectins Cookbook, and we are going to make some bread rolls. Yes, that's what we're going to attempt to make. And yeah, let's see what we have. We have sweet potatoes, we have rosemary, we have olive oil, we have salt, we have flaxseed, hemp seeds, coconut flour, cassava, and some water. So as we mix the ingredients, we are preheating the oven, and we have prepared our baking sheet with parchment paper. Yes, let's get ready. So we need to pour our sweet potato. This mashed sweet potato. All the measurements of the ingredients are in the book. Some rosemary, olive oil, some salt, flaxseed, hemp seeds. We have some coconut flour and the cassava flour. We need to mix this. Let me use my hands. Now, one of the things that we need to add is water. According to the recipe, 2 tablespoons of water, but I don't think I'll add water in my dough because I think my dough is okay. I don't want it to be wet, so that because now if it becomes more wet, I'll keep on adding cassava flour. So I believe it's okay as it is, but yeah, we will see. That's why we are here, to try out these recipes. The next step is dividing our dough. We need to divide it into 3 equal parts. I think I'll divide it into 4. Don't know. Let's just make it 3. Because 1, 2. Then we divide the remaining one with what we have. So I'm saying I don't think my dough needs water. It's okay as it is. So the book says from each we are supposed to make 6 rolls. I don't know. I think they'll be really small. That's my first batch. I think I'll make 4 with this one. The next step is putting them into the oven for 35 minutes or until they are golden brown. Then we'll be back to come and check them. Here they are. They are ready to go in. We are back. I think we have achieved what the book says, lightly brown on top with a hard crust. Yeah. So our bread rolls are ready. One thing I can say is the book says you cook for 35 minutes or until lightly brown on top. After 35 minutes, they were not yet brown, they were not yet dry, and they did not have a hard crust. So I added 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes. I looked at them, I was like, no, let me add more. So I added around 30 more minutes. So roughly, in my opinion and in my case, I cooked them for an hour plus. That's when I was able to get the lightly brown on top. As you can see, lightly brown on top and a hard crust, as the book says. So that's me. So let's see, to taste. Look at that. Yeah, I wish. It smells amazing. The smell is amazing. So let's taste. You see. Number one, it has a hard crust and then it's soft inside. Yes, yes, you see, it's really soft in the soft inside, but the crust is very hard, so it's crunchy and moist. Yes, crunchy and really moist. They are delicious, they are easy to make, and I think it's a quick recipe, because all you need is, once you've measured everything according to the book, you mix them in one bowl, you divide, you bake. Easy recipe, quick one, and you're not disappointed with the results. Well, guys, hey, I feel like these bread rolls can do well with milk, with tea, and even soup. They can also do well with soup, because it has an amazing taste. It's delicious. It's wow. I'm surprised, really surprised. No eggs, no yeast. In fact, the main things here is sweet potato, the flaxseed, the cassava flour, and the coconut flour. And then another thing, it has no sugar. So we are relying on the sweetness of the sweet potato. Wow. This is good. So guys, that's it for today, for our video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you get to try the bread rolls. Don't forget, today we've cooked from this book. So that's it for today. Bye bye and God bless.